Welcome back. Have you ever seen those cool lamps with cool glowing, shape-shifting material on the inside of them? Well, they're called lava lamps, and they were a huge hit back in the 1970s. Well, today, we're gonna make our own lava lamps. Here's what you'll need. You're gonna need vegetable oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets. This is what they look like outside the wrapper. Water, and an empty bottle. I'm using a bottle that contains about 20 fluid ounces. Choose one with a cool shape. It'll make it more fun. Although the lava lamps that we're making today aren't made from the same materials as the lava lamps that your parents or grandparents might have in their garage, you will get the same general feeling from them. The lesson in today's demonstration is that oil and water do not mix. Now, that is a concept that I explained more in depth in my density tower video, so be sure to check that one out. In short, water is more dense than vegetable oil, and so when we pour it into the container, it will go to the bottom, and as we pour vegetable oil over the top of it, the vegetable oil will form a layer that sits on top of the water layer. Now, the Alka-Seltzer tablets that we're going to add, once we add them, they'll go all the way through the vegetable oil layer and into the water layer at the bottom. Now, Alka-Seltzer tablets are designed to dissolve in water. Once they begin dissolving, they form bubbles. These bubbles will actually pick up the remaining portion of the Alka-Seltzer tablet that has not yet dissolved and cause it to go into the vegetable oil layer. When this happens, it drags along some of the water, which we have now added a dye to. Because we've added that dye, you can see where the water is at in the vegetable oil layer, and that's what gives us this lava lamp effect. Now, what then happens is the Alka-Seltzer tablet loses its bubbles and it sinks back down through the vegetable oil layer back into the water layer where it dissolves some more, and then it goes right back up into the vegetable oil layer. And this process repeats and repeats until the Alka-Seltzer tablet is fully dissolved. As far as safety is concerned, this demonstration is extremely safe. We're just using water and vegetable oil in this demonstration. Fill the empty bottle about 1/3 of the way up with water. Now, add about 3 drops of food coloring to the water and stir it so that the food coloring fully saturates the water. Slowly fill the bottle up with vegetable oil. You might want to use a funnel with this. Now, add half of an Alka-Seltzer tablet to the container. It's important to leave the bottle uncapped for this to work well. You can add more Alka-Seltzer tablets to create more bubbles, but not too many too fast. For cool effect, dim the lights in the room and place a small light under the bottle, then add an Alka-Seltzer tablet.